Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Kay Kosani, and today I'll be doing an Italian pasta salad, which is a side dish that I'll be doing, and also a fried banana and chicken with Coca-Cola as well. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment, switch on your post notification, and if you're new, please do the most also by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Let's do this. I can't wait to embark this journey with you guys. Let's hit it and let me show you how it's done. So guys, while our pasta and our eggs are getting ready, I've marinated my chicken with Coca-Cola, half a cup of Coca-Cola, lezen bay, and also 6-4. Let me show you the spices that I've used. The lezen bay I've used, 6-4 spice, but you can use any spice that you prefer, and half a cup of Coca-Cola, guys. And by the way, I prefer using my 2-plate stove over a 4-plate stove. So you can use your 4-plate stove. I don't have a problem, but I prefer mine. So please. So off camera, guys, I decided to chop my veggies, all veggies, and my onion too, and also my cucumber. I've done it off camera because, guys, I'm extremely slow. Like, I'm super slow. And the veggies and onions and the cucumbers, I'm going to use them for my Italian pasta. Now that the pasta is ready, so I decided to put it inside the colander so that it can cool off for a while. So in the meantime, now I'm frying my bananas. So yeah, let's do it. Are still frying, and our eggs are still boiling. But we have to now put our meat inside the oven. We also put the gravy inside here, which is Coke and everything in here. Our last step, you should sprinkle cheese. It looks yummy. Like, it looks so yummy. Let me show you. So now I'll be making my salad dressing for my pasta salad. I'm going to pour some cooking oil in here, half a cup, but I think this cup won't be enough, so I'm going to need to exchange my cup because I still have to pour water inside of here. Yeah, like I said, it won't be enough. So here we go, half a cup of water, our cooking oil, and then my sea salt, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, 1 full tablespoon of sea salt, and then you'll have to simmer. And then now 2 teaspoons of sugar. I've used brown sugar because tasty man. I can get white but yeah. And then after, it looks like garlic flakes, our garlic flakes. Remember this afterwards. It's looking like a fridging. I guess. things are happening here. And then Italian herbs. Our Italian herbs. Black pepper. Last but not least, our black pepper. So here my phone decided to go off while I was taking a video because it was low. I had to charge, but let me tell you what I did here. What I did is I chopped my onions, and then afterwards I put a bit of some oil inside, cooking oil, and then on the side I mixed with jikelele, sushabo mix, with half a cup of Coca-Cola too, and then here we go to simmer, and a bit of pleasant bay. Yeah, so yeah, now that our chicken is ready and our bananas is also well fried, here is the sauce now. To now pour inside the sauce. Bona, this looks so yummy. The tuna. So guys, this is how it turned out. Nancy. So don't forget to like and subscribe, comment. See you on my next YouTube video. Bye.